All right, so we have David here working on the chip repair, and I'm gonna show you guys real quick, just a quick glimpse of the, what he needs, his tools that he needs to be able to perform this. Also, I just want to mention really quick, this is a really cool car. What is this again?
It's a Kia Stinger.
Kia Stinger. They're pretty quick from what I've heard on the internet. They're quick. This is the kit that he uses. I just want to point something out really funny that I was told one time by an individual, and that is one time a person told me, hey, how come you just don't put super glue? I don't think it's just as easy as putting super glue, right?
No.
I'm gonna take a picture. So we're gonna kind of do it before and after here. Let me try to see like this thing. In case it doesn't take pictures, I don't remember how to do this. But you can see there's that rock chip there. And we're gonna do kind of like we are gonna do a before and after of the repair. So here's this next, let me see if I can get a better, somewhat of a better view.
In the middle, no.
All right, ready? All right, bro. So what's going on right here? What's the process right here?
So what it does, it sucks all the air from the rock chip.
Okay.
There's two processes on this.
Okay.
So this kit right here alone.
Yes.
Okay. We're looking at about $1,800 to $2,000 just for that kit.
Just for the kit.
Yeah, it's awesome, man.
It's great. Yeah. So I just want to really quick say that this is why sometimes you take it to people that have the experience and are professionals in this line of work, because like I said, some guy told me one time, just put super glue. And this doesn't look like I should have just put super glue. Yeah.
So you see how it filled.
Okay. Oh yeah, that's crazy, dude. Yeah.
I mean, you're still gonna see a little. It's always not 100%.
100%. Okay.
Yeah, you're still gonna see, but it does fit. You can see a difference right now.
Yeah. Well, you could already see a difference with this process. So we're gonna go ahead and film the after so you guys could see it. Okay. So what is that?
So this next process, it cures the resin that flows into the rock chip. Okay.
Wow. So like I said, imagine if I had just taken super glue, I would have probably ruined the whole thing. But this is a whole different process that I didn't think was needed to repair the chips. All right, so I want to show you guys the before and after. And it used to be somewhere around this area. Let me just take a picture real quick of this. And so, man, that's a big difference. And what this process does, it literally keeps it from running, those lines running across, and then you really have to replace the windshield because the structure of it is compromised. And one thing that people don't know is on a windshield, it's on there for in case of a car crash, and if you compromise the structure of it, it's not gonna really fulfill its job of protecting you when it comes down to it. All right, go ahead, bro. What is that? Oh,
so
shit.
It takes the air out from the actual
it takes the air out.
rock chip.
Dang, that's crazy. So you all can see it is a whole process, to get this done. It's not as simple as, putting just super glue in the that would have been wrong. That would have really probably compromised the ability to fix the chip.
This is the way people want to do it.
All right, bro, so what is the next step now? I saw you put away I'm pretty sure it's a final.
Yeah, so our final step is going to be pit polish. So we're going to polish the little hole where the rock hit.
Okay.
In this case, it was very small. In this one, you can't really tell. But usually when I have to drill a hole into one, that's usually when you're going to see a little hole. Yeah. And that's going to be polished out, so it could be kind of closest to
its original state.
Yes.
Yeah. All right, guys, so what I'm gonna do real quick is I'm gonna take a before and after. I'm gonna clean this up to show you guys the before and after pic. It's insane, just the difference it already made. And you can't even see it by the naked eye. You would really have to get super close to see it, but you can't see it. So anyways, I just want to say a quick shout out to to David, RGV Auto Chip Repair. And if you want to let us know your contact details again.
Absolutely. You can reach me at 956-498-7249. Mobile service. I come to you guys, all right? Appreciate you.
Yes, so guys, I mean, this is a very big necessity, especially if you don't want to have to prematurely replace your windshield, because then once that crack goes along the passenger or the driver's side, especially on the driver's side, it is really aggravating when you get the sun hitting it at just that right spot. It really gets into your eyes. And so this is a way to prevent from replacing, you know, hundreds of dollars, because especially when they have the sensor, they get more expensive. And I just wanted to say a huge thank you to David, and we'll see you soon. We're gonna do an actual promotional video, right? So that way he can show the actual process, you know, the way he wants it shown, and we'll go forward from there.
I know that's the way it should look. I mean, you're still gonna see a little bit,
yeah,
but it's nothing where it's a big difference.
Yeah. So there you go, David, and then RGV Auto Chip Repair, right? So I'll put the info down below in the description box there. You guys can check it out. Do you have any social media website? No?
Nope.
Make one, bro.
Word
Facebook.
Word
of mouth for now. But I'm pretty sure you're gonna make a Facebook page, and trust me, it should blow up. It should, you know, get more referrals and stuff like that. And so, oh yeah, and Ortiz Performance, we're waiting on that brisket, bro. From Senor BBQ. Tell Senor Ortiz, please tell Senor BBQ to make us a brisket. Guys, so this is the following day, and you can see where the rock chip used to be. I just want to get, it's right there. That right there. And so it's pretty much gone. You can't even feel it from inside. And like David said, it is going to not fully 100% take it off, but it will prevent it from running, and that's what you want. Yeah, so this one's, I have that one right there, but you know, it was just kind of doing showing how to do, like how it's done and the difference. I will leave the information in the description box below so you all can contact him if you're local. And yeah, it's pretty much gone. So that's pretty cool. I'll have things worked on eventually. So anyway, stay tuned. And that's pretty much it for today's video. Hope you all have a good one. Have a great